Babe,
Yes?
where you going?
Let's go up on the road with my friend name.
No, you're not coming out here today. Not tonight. You go out last night, you go out the night before, you're not coming out tonight.
Can't tell me that. I go up on the road same way. I'm telling you, man.
I don't care. You're staying home tonight.
Where put on
You remember when you say roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet but not as you? Remember when you tell me that? Well, you see tonight, roses are red, violets are blue, step out of the house, and you see what happened to you.
So you're pretty up. Where you go? Where you go?
Yeah, me I dress up because I know see you like to see me look good. Me not go nowhere. May I go hang out tonight, you're not going anywhere, staying in the house. What you say?
Yeah, doing soon. I'm good.
I bet you see you take back that tonight. I bet you see you take back that. I want jeans pants me a sleeping at tonight. I bet you see you take it back. I bet you.
I'm not going to. But I
Don't
would.
talk about me, I tie you down. You want a pretty girl, sit home and tear in a pretty girl face. You want to go on road every night. You don't go like that. And if you know who you have out the on road, I could have was so. Yeah, I say you love man heat. Yeah, your friend them go on road. And you want to go night before last night and tonight again. I would they have over me. You not come out here tonight.
You come out.
You could have grumbled till you're weak. You're not coming out here tonight. And nobody can talk say, your woman a rule you, me not rule you. But you must have understanding. Alright, you want to come out? You go on about your business, me go about for my business.
I'm not going to.
Me know, man. Me know. Yes. So case closed.